This sensational 2006 Pontiac G6 GTP is equipped with a responsive 3.9-liter V6 engine, a fluid transmission, the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive, and has only 23,176 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include a Monsoon RDS audio system with a satellite link and a CD player, an 8-speaker in-cabin sound system and audio anti-theft protection. It also gets an estimated 26 miles per gallon on the highway, and 18 in the city. PAUSE equals 2000. For your comfort, this sedan has cruise control, and a ventilation system with a recirculation setting. For the safety of you and your passengers, this vehicle has multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive. PAUSE equals 4000.
Bergstrom Buick Pontiac GMC truck of Appleton is located at 2445 West College Avenue, on the corner of College and Lindale in Appleton, right across from Ben Brady's. This vehicle won't be here long, so call our professional sales staff today to schedule an appointment.